warm, comforting sun, fresh green grass, decorated with pearls of rain, lemon trees growing in the distance, bright, refreshing, zingy fruit. You fill your basket with a few. Hello everyone, and thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, then a big welcome to you. As you've seen today from the thumbnail, we will be making 3 lemon DIYs, nice, easy and simple, just how you like it. If you love home decor DIYs and decorating, especially in the lemon theme, you're going to love today's video. And if you don't do lemons, then you can take some ideas from these DIYs and definitely change them to suit your theme. Grab yourself some lemons. They can be real, or you can get some artificial lemons too. I will include the link for this in the description box. Okay, let's start our first DIY. Really quick, you're going to take your newspaper shredding and just fill your whole basket with that. Next, I'm going to take my lemons, open them up. Just pop them into your basket. I'm also going to take my artificial ones because I don't have enough real lemons. Okay, next you're going to take any artificial plants just for the leaves and cut those off. And then we're just going to pop them in to the sides of our wicker basket. And just like that, your first DIY is completed. Really quick and easy, but just so refreshing to look at and really effective. I really do like the newspapers coming through as well. So let's move on to our second DIY. I've also got an awesome hack for you all. Did you know that you can buy hot glue sticks for textiles and fabric so that when you put it into the wash, it won't come undone? If you're like me and you don't have a sewing machine at home, then this hack is really effective and saves you a ton of time. So let's go ahead and start drawing our design. So now I'm going to take my scissors and just cut that out. Now you're going to take your hot glue and apply some on the corners of the material. Do this carefully and little by little. Then you're going to grab your other part of the material and press down on the hot glue. So when you have finished applying hot glue all around the edges of your material and stuck the two sides together, you're going to leave a small amount here open just for now so that you can take some toy stuffing and insert that inside. Once you've stuffed your pillow as much as you'd like, take your hot glue and we're going to close the small opening that's left. Once you've finished, you can take your scissors and tidy any of the edges. And there you have it, your second DIY is completed and you've got yourself a nice no-sew lemon pillow that you can also put in the washing machine without a problem. So on to our third and final DIY. and you're going to need a frame. I bought this from Poundland. So you're going to remove the frames from the acrylic sheet, and all we're going to do is hot glue them in place. I've got some A4 white card from Poundland, and we're going to pop this inside our printer. So I'm taking it over to my tablet because we're going to be using Google to print out some images. I've just typed in lemon vintage and select which one you want and print it out. So I've popped them into the Word document and I've made them as large as they can be, and I'm printing them out. I've also typed in lemonade sign vintage illustration, and I found this one. It seems to be perfect for me, so I'm also going to print this out. So I've got myself 2 designs, and I printed 2 of each design, and then I've got this one in the middle. So all we're going to do now is just cut that out. Right, so we have our papers all cut out. Might actually need more than this, I'm not sure at the moment. And we're going to start arranging them in the frame, and I'll show you how. I'm going to add a touch of hot glue to the areas that I want to stick down. So we still have too much space here, so I'm going to print out a few more images and cut them out and then just stick them down exactly how I did. And here's the third and final DIY for today. I think it's really refreshing and definitely adds colour to a room. So let's have a look at all 3 DIYs that we've made today. We've got our lemon basket here. And then we have the frame at the back there. I really love the vintage vibe on that. And then we have the third DIY, the no sew pillow here. If you have enjoyed today's video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. And I also want to hear if you prefer 3 DIYs in one video or 1 DIY in a video. Let me know also if you have enjoyed this lemon theme, and if there's any more themes that you want me to do or have any requests, make sure you let me know in the comments. And definitely let me know which DIY is your favourite. As always, if you have enjoyed this video, do subscribe and turn on all notifications. That's it from me for today, so I'll see you in the next DIY. Take care of yourselves, bye! I brought this room mist the other day from Marks & Spencer, and it smells so good, and it's a perfect addition to today's DIY.